Oh my god, guys, look at this piece. Oh shoot. Oh man.
Wow.
Orgasm right here.
I want to see you like dip it and then like eat it all.
Okay, hold on. Let me take out this fat. It's nasty. You're nasty. You're a nasty little crab. You trying to get thick up in here with all this extra fat. Oh my god, guys, look at this piece. Can you see? Oh yeah, look at that. Gigantor. What up, my Coco's Cravers? It's Coco and I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not new to this channel, welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and make sure you hit that bell button to get more notifications of me. Alright, so today we have a special guest. Dun, 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 dun. It's just Hazel.
Just me. I'm very simple.
Yes, this is my good friend, more like a best friend, more like a big sister. Oh my god, this is her first time trying this out, the seafood boil, and today we're doing BLOVESLIFE sauce. I got it from Amazon. Check it out down in the description. I don't know when she's gonna restock, so she's gonna restock with the mild sauce, but this is the spicy sauce, so check it out, guys. I'm so excited. I waited like 2 weeks for this boil and just to try this. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm hungry.
She already tried it out. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So we're gonna ask some questions. Like, I don't know what kind of questions. Today's drink, we got some Sprite. Well, I got some Sprite and some water. You know, I get a water. Just kidding. So go ahead, dip it in there.
What about you?
I want to watch you.
So we went to Smith's. Well, I went to Smith's and I had to get the shrimp, right? I like these like little ass shrimps.
But I like me some big ones. Like
she liked the big meat ones.
Right
there.
there.
You see this? So we got 2 different shrimps in there.
Check it out. I like these fat ones. So on our platter today, we got the king crab. She doesn't know how to peel it, so I got the scissors on deck.
Like that?
So we got the sausage, corn, boiled eggs, potatoes, some lime, and some shrimp. So how you like it? Did you dip it with the
Show me how to do it.
Okay, let me just get the shrimp. Look at that. Suck it, guys. Alright, so just, you know, drain the shrimp. Drain it in there, you know. And then, you know, try to pick up the onions like this. Like that. Oh my god, it's still hot. I can still the seam. And then you just eat it.
Alright. That was really good. I thought it was going to be more spicy.
Why is it sweet? Well,
What did you put in there?
I put Coke. That's what it says.
Coke?
Yeah.
You put Coca-Cola in there?
Yeah.
Oh. You're serious. Alright.
It's not bad though.
It's good. I just like spicy, but
Yeah.
still good.
I think once we get like more into it, it's gonna be spicy. You think so? I don't know. You want some napkins? Here's some napkins for you. We're just gonna start eating a little bit because we're hungry. I've been waiting for her.
Sorry, I got off work late.
Yeah, I cooked like the whole platter, so. Oh my god.
I'm Asian, so I need my rice.
I would eat rice, but I got potatoes in there. So we got the eggs, guys. I love boiled eggs with this sauce. So I don't know. I'm not even prepared. Are you prepared?
What am I prepared for? To eat?
The questions.
No, I can't believe you won't let me. Like, you won't tell me. You won't give me a heads up.
I didn't.
I get tongue tied. I don't do well in front of cameras or people.
Don't worry, you're just speaking to the camera.
That's good.
That sausage has pineapple and bacon.
Pineapple and bacon?
Yeah, it's good. You're gonna be like, oh my god, this is heaven.
That is really good sausage.
Yeah. You know, I got Costco.
I love Costco. Costco's their shit.
Yeah, Costco is the bomb.
I only go to Costco just to eat their chicken bakes. And their ice cream.
Yeah.
And the free samples.
That's your dinner already.
Oh, is that what the paper towel was for?
Yeah, you can put it there.
Okay, it's fine.
I just spilled some Sprite on me. You want to try the crab now?
Yeah, you're gonna break it for me?
Yeah. I'm kind of messy. Which one? This one?
Okay.
Alright, you said you want a small piece, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is... Okay, here we go. There's a piece in here. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. Oh my god.
So have you ever tried boiling crab or hot and juicy?
Yeah.
Which one do you like better?
I don't know. I only been there once on each side. But to me, I think I like hot and juicy better.
Is it because it's juicy?
Yeah, it's juicy like some never mind. I'm trying to keep it PG-13 here, guys.
I actually like boiling crab only because of the spice, the shabam.
The
I love it.
sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Wait, it's stuck now. Oh, hold on. Let me take out the fattening because you don't want to eat that. It's like nasty.
Oh, you're such a good friend.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
Eat that piece. That.
What happened to keeping it PG-13?
They don't know what that means.
Okay.
Girl. You want this piece too? Okay. Let me just...
Thank you.
Right there. I'm full already. I just started.
Are you serious?
No, because I'm talking too much.
See, I asked you, are you sure you want to get the baked shrimp?
No, I'm hungry. Well, don't forget that lemon rain, guys.
Oh, that's what the lemon is for?
Yeah.
I thought that was just for it to look pretty.
No. So you do like this. Oh my god. You pour it. It tastes good with the lemon, just saying.
Alright.
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't give you the first bite. Sorry, I was just hungry, you know. Here, it's gonna drip, so eat it. Can you guys see? No. Eat it. Who cares? I'm hungry. Let me eat this all until I get full. Where's my phone? Let's ask some questions here.
You wrote questions on your phone?
No. No, I don't got questions. I'm just gonna bullshit it.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. What can I say to you? I don't know what to say to you. I'm over here like thinking, never have I ever.
Never have I ever.
What?
Huh. I don't know. You gotta keep it PG-13. What do you mean?
Maybe I shouldn't put the Coke in. It's too sweet for me.
Well, it did say optional.
Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. I'm trying to get it in there, you know. I have to eat it like this. Unless you don't like the onions.
No, I do. It's just I got a small ass shrimp.
The shrimp can work.
Alright, fine. Like that?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Mm-hmm. Yeah, delicious. Alright, so where are you from? I already know this question, but the people gotta know.
I'm from Hawaii.
Which island?
Oahu.
Oahu?
I moved out here when I was 8. So basically I was raised out here, sadly. But it's okay though, I'm getting used to it. I just don't like the summer here.
Is that it?
You should tell them how we met.
Oh yeah. Well, we met at McDonald's. That was our old job. You know, a job is a job, so that was like my hold on. That was practically kind of like my second job because I worked in the cafeteria at school. We went to the same school but different years because she's older than me.
My little sister over here. She thought I was she first met me. Just because I was her boss. I was her manager. I had to tell her what to do, where to go.
I was just drinking a soda.
She's lying.
I'm not lying.
She was breaking rules, and I told her off.
I was just innocent, you know, like, I was just drinking a soda, damn. She's like, you know you gotta go into the back and drink that.
So as an employee working at McDonald's, you can't just drink out of a cup behind a counter where all the customers could see you. You have to go to the back to the crew room to drink it. So that's what I was just trying to tell her.
So everyone drinks in front of us, so why can't I drink in front of them?
Right, that's true. Sitting there waiting for the food,
exactly.
drinking. We're like, oh, I'm so thirsty.
It's very, like, how do you say it? You get thirsty working there.
Yeah, you do. And it's crazy because there's a certain time that you're not allowed to move your area, like your position. Like, you can't get anything to drink. You can't go to the restroom. Like, in certain peak hours. It was horrible. So as a manager, I kind of knew how that is. So I would try to let them leave.
And it's all good because we ain't there anymore. We moved on with our lives. Oh my god, guys, look at this piece. Oh shoot. Oh man.
Wow.
Orgasm right here.
I want to see you like dip it and then like eat it all.
Okay, hold on. Let me take out this fat. It's nasty. You're nasty. You're a nasty little crab. You trying to get thick up in here with all this extra fat. Oh my god, guys, look at this piece. Can you see? Oh yeah, look at that. Gigantor. Oh, Gigantor. There's still more fat. Oh my god. Oh my god, let me move this. Let me move this. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so delicious. I can't. Hold on. I just burped. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
See, this is why I can't be watching your videos sometimes, because you be eating some good ass food and I can't get any.
Be like, where was I? Damn. If I could date you, crab, I would. And eat you up. Wait. Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to edit it out. Sorry.
Okay, now I can see why you like the baked shrimp. I can
Why?
see it. Because it's like flavorful and it hits the spot.
Yeah.
It absorbs the juices.
Alright, your turn to ask me a question.
I don't know. I don't know what questions I could ask.
Anything.
What is your favorite show right now on Netflix?
Shameless right now. The new season.
Shameless? What is that show about?
This family practically poor, and the dad is a drunk addict and stuff, and he always asks for money, and like the kids always have to like watch over themselves or something like that. Yeah, I think they're on season 8 or 9. I have no idea.
Damn.
Yeah, because I finished watching Orange the New Black. What else? The Fosters, Stranger Things, and then when I saw Shameless, oh my god, I had to watch it. I need to get back, like, finishing watching Pretty Little Liars, because I didn't finish watching it, even though it finished, like, a while ago.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then there was the originals. I gotta finish that. I stopped like season 4, I think. 3 or 4. Wait, either 3. I don't know. And then I don't know. Oh, I finished. Well, is Once Upon a Time coming back?
No.
No, they
I think
finished.
it's done.
Okay. Yeah, I finished that. I was sad. I was like, oh man, because everybody always talk about it, and I'm like, is it really good? So I was like into it. It's like, but bam.
I like fell asleep.
Huh?
I like fell asleep.
See, I told you. Sit your booty down. Sit your booty down, down, down. So, how's your relationship?
It's doing well.
Is this your longest?
Yeah, it kind of is. I've been single for way too long.
Yeah. I was like, Hazel, you're gonna find a man.
It's been more than like 5 years, so I don't even know how to be in a relationship.
I feel you.
So
I feel you.
my boyfriend knows. I told him. He's being patient with me.
Yeah, I feel her vibe, because when I met my boyfriend, I wasn't in a relationship for 6 years. So I was like, I don't know how to be in a relationship. And I'm still learning.
Oh, yeah. No, it's a lot of compromises, a lot of communication.
Yeah.
And you know what, to be honest, like, I like being able to be myself.
Yeah. It's hard work.
Mm-hmm.
Hard work, baby girl. So how you like the boil so far?
They're really good.
Oh yeah.
You should show them how you make them.
What?
How you make this.
Easy, but bam. Well, I'm kind of like ratchet when I'm making this.
How so?
Cause I don't have any makeup on and I'm wearing pajamas.
That's the best way to go. You don't gotta look good in the kitchen. You just gotta make sure your food is bomb.
I gotta look good and be like, hi guys, with the apron on. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.
This is huge. Can't believe that.
I know. Let me know if you want another one.
I want another one.
I'm gonna give you that big piece then. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. I ate a shell. Oh man. Okay. Wait. This will be better.
So what is your favorite food to eat?
My favorite food? Like anything?
That you wouldn't mind eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast.
What?
I love eating breakfast.
So breakfast food.
Yeah, breakfast food. I would eat that at lunch. I mean, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's like the best. Wouldn't you guys? I know you guys would. Like, that's like the best. Here, if you can grab it.
Thank you.
Make sure you take out the fattening.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about.
Like the whitening, like those white
Like
stuff.
this one?
Yeah.
Is this good? What is this?
Let me see. You see all that whiteness?
It's all good?
Yeah, that's fine.
This is huge.
Yeah, it's good. That's why when I go like boiling crab, I'm like kind of disappointed because their king crabs are not that big.
But yeah, that's how they make their money. They sell the little ass ones for like,
Well, fudge that.
like what, 20 a pound?
I need my
25 a
big
pound?
ones, you know. I like my big meat.
It's always cheaper if you just like make food at home.
I like my big meat. Don't you like your big meats? You know you do. I like my meat big.
Okay, I barely eat meat.
Well, you gotta start eating some crab meat, cause some king crab. You know, they're the king of the ocean. Not really, but well, crab of the ocean. You know. I want to try that lobster, the big lobster, with that big booty. Oh, look at that. Oh, gone, guys. Ew, I just ate the fat. Tastes weird. Don't you guys ever taste like the fat and it tastes different from the like regular meat? It tastes like the ocean. Well, I mean, they came from the ocean. I'm sorry. I forgot the lemon. Oh shoot. Don't forget the lemon, Hazel.
My bad.
Alright.
And then you like dip it?
Yeah, dip it in here. And then you can add more lemon if you want, but it's still good.
Should have wore bibs.
Bibs?
Worn bibs.
Oh. I don't have a bib. My baby not small anymore. I would have saved all her bibs. Oh crap, we don't have any more napkins. Oh well. We try to save the trees. No more napkins. I'm a messy person. What?
Everything is so good. It's like I go to the...
Did you try the egg?
No, not yet.
You gotta try the egg.
Alright.
You have to. It's delicioso. Who was the last person? Oh, you were.
What?
Who was the last person to ask a question? It's my turn now. Let's see. Man, I don't even know. What's a good question? I don't even know, man. I'm too, like, hungry for this food. Let's see. I don't even know how much siblings you have.
You don't know how much siblings I have?
I can't know. How much?
How long have you known me?
You have Hannah, your brother, your other brother, your sister. I think that's it, right? Oh, wait.
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Yeah, there you go. I'm bad.
That's okay. I know you have like a bunch of brothers and sisters.
Yeah. You probably.
I only know your immediate family, but then you got other family in Hawaii too. And I'm like, damn. All right.
Yeah, my dad added another family.
You had another baby? Besides the other babies?
Yeah. The first is my stepsister, which is Angelica, and then my 2 half siblings, which is CJ and Cheryl, and then the other baby.
Wow. Your family's expanding.
Her name is Chloe.
So speaking of kids, how much kids do you want?
I want at least 3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Yeah. I want them. What? The most would be 4, because I want them to each have like a partner. You know what I mean? But for now, I only have 1 baby. But bling.
That might be my boyfriend. I sent him a picture of the food.
He's like, damn, I'm jealous.
Let's see what he wrote. He's like, looks good.
Oh snap! Wait, can you send me a picture of that? I was supposed to take a picture.
You're so bad. I'll forward it to you.
Okay, thanks. If you're watching, what's his name? What's the name of that? Oh my God.
Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin. I'm so sorry. Hazel would treat you to boiling crab.
We're actually gonna go eat boiling crab this Friday.
Okay.
So. Have you ever eaten crab by the beach?
By the beach?
Yeah, in LA. I mean, in California.
No, is it good?
I wouldn't know. I was just asking. My boyfriend.
Oh, was that a question?
Yeah, it was a question. Because my boyfriend eat crab on Redondo Beach.
Who's knocking up there?
I don't know.
Well, anyway, what?
No, my boyfriend went to Redondo Beach to eat some crab with his family, and they said it's really good. We only walked down there just to go sightseeing. But the smell, I'm like,
oh man.
And then everybody was eating the shrimp.
Oh man, got jealous, didn't you? You like Kevin's like next time.
I know. Every time there's next time, like he's like, oh, next time.
Fudge that.
Next time. There was no next time. We went there like about 3 times.
Oh my God.
3 times this year. Still didn't get my crab. Hopefully my birthday, which is next month.
Kevin, you got some work to do.
Wink, wink.
How long is the video? Oh my God, 28 minutes.
Damn, we were eating that long.
Yeah.
You're gonna shorten this, right?
I hope so. If not, you know, BLOVE have her videos like 1 hour.
No, yeah. I actually watched one of her videos. No, 2 of her videos.
Yeah.
Because she had one with Christina Milian, and I love her. And then 2 was with Celise. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Celise.
I was like, oh my God. I was so jealous.
I love how upfront she can be. And
Who's
hey.
Celise?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's so awesome. I wish BLOVE, come on, girl. Like, I need to have a boy with you. I watched you for 2 years. Alright, sorry guys. My camera like stopped after 28 minutes, I think. My camera stopped at what? 30 minutes. Well, I didn't know that, so we're back in action, and I'm still hungry. Are you still hungry, or are you getting full?
Girl, I'm getting kind of full, but I can take some home, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm that friend. If I go to your house and you have a party, I'm the one that takes food home too. Sometimes I have Tupperwares in my car. Or Ziploc bags.
Are you serious?
What? Some people make some bomb ass food, especially at parties.
Oh my goodness. Did you try the egg? Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
So how do you like the sauce so far? I think next time I'm not gonna put the Coke. Put the Coke in. Because I've never done that with her, like just homemade sauce.
Yeah.
How she used to do it.
How does it normally taste like?
More better, not too sweet. Like I'm just over here.
Do you
like,
think maybe it's the onion? Because there's different type of onions.
No, I don't. I didn't put the sweet onions.
No.
No. It's the Coke.
It's the Coke.
Yeah.
Probably.
I was like,
But it's
oh,
still
man.
really, really good.
Yeah.
Maybe you could just add like chili powder or something. Just add
I
like
put
some
hot
spice.
sauce. It's okay. It's still good. She made it in a powder because she wants people to like have like fresh onions, you know, fresh, instead of having it in a jar, like fresh ingredients. So she just put the powder in. Yeah, I mean. And do you think it's the ginger? Because I've never put like ginger.
When she says 1 pouch,
The whole pouch. But it's a lot.
that's a lot.
Yeah, you see this? That's a lot.
Oh, okay.
I didn't want to like overfill it, you know.
That's true.
And I don't have a lot of butter. Oh my god, I'm in love with the cocoa.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna save you for later. Is it my turn to ask a question or you?
I think it was my turn. Was it? You already asked me
I
a
already asked
question. What's your number one place you want to visit?
Number one, I want to place visit. Number one place I want to visit?
Yeah.
Barcelona.
Shit.
Barcelona, Spain.
Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters.
Hey.
Yeah.
What about you?
It's either Singapore or Dubai.
But why would you want to go to Dubai though? It's like a desert. It's hot.
What?
Well, I
I'm
heard
talking
it's
about the
hot.
nice area.
The nice area. It's still hot over there.
Well, I just want to visit because you know the buildings look nice.
Like the architecture.
If you guys haven't, I'm just gonna end this video, guys. Sorry, the camera's being mean to me. But this is like the longest video I've ever done. It's okay. I enjoyed it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. All right. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next video. Peace.
Bye.
Oh, God.